All right. Good morning. Good morning. Just trying to get everything set up here. Got the Ninja pulled up because I'm having a problem getting the Quant Tower to connect this morning. See if we can get it to work here. If not, it's not the end of the world. We can use Ninja. But we shall see. We shall see. Good morning, Juker. Good morning. Yeah, I don't know why it's not wanting to connect this morning. Who knows? What have we done here? Little double bottom right here at the lows, 945. Rallied into the close yesterday. Rallied into the close. What do we think? What do we think? Doesn't matter. What's going on, DeBizzle? Good morning. We got a little double bottom here. I mean, you'd think that we probably run deeper here, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I got those lows sitting there. I mean, you got exact double bottom, triple, or relatively equal lows there on the Nasdaq too. Good morning, Darren. I don't know what's up with my. Let me fix my camera first of all. It's cattywampus. Yeah, I don't know. My quad tower is. It's just blinking. I'm going to reset it. The Bizzle, you're hoping for an Asian low sweep and then go up, but not sure based on the big gap below. Yeah, there is a pretty decent sized gap. All right, opening up here. Let's see how. This thing's just pushing here. Trying to watch. Let's get the Emmanuel. Is this London? This is London. Asia today, 35 points for 8 hours. Yeah, that was pretty rough looking. That's what I'm saying. It's just kind of sideways. When I look back, I'm like, wow. So ES looking stronger here. Probably going to run into that 70 level there. I'm just watching. If we pop the VWAP here, we might just what? Yeah, they could sweep both sides. You're not wrong. I was wanting to jump in right there. Let's see here. $65 possible. A little rejection there. A little rejection right there. Well, we'll see what happens here. I don't know if this bar might be difficult to see. We'll see what happens here. All right, got a potential setup here. Off the 56. So we'll look for a little long here off the 56 here. See if it pulls back here and gets us in on this. I'd rather it come back and tag us in before it sweeps that 65. 64. I didn't want to just jump in, but looking like it's running for the high. Running without me. Feels bad. It's going to make me cry. Yeah, it's such a tight range. Probably will sweep both here. I mean, we're literally looking at 46 to 70. I don't want to just jump in here for that run through the highs. Yeah, Emmanuel, these are Rincos. 20/5 Rinco bar. As soon as I'm able to get the Quan Tower connected, we will pull it over. So ES puts in a new high. Yep. ES put in a new high there. So I don't love that. I don't love the ES putting in a new high because it could just pull back now. We may just put in a lower high. Still could continue higher, obviously. I guess I could have jumped in. Could have jumped in there, but let's just wait. Yeah. I don't know if NQ will make it. If in ES shows any weakness here, may not. I could take it here off the 64, but let's just see if we get a deeper pullback here. Just kind of watching the WADA here on this pullback. Not very high volume. Oh, I didn't mean to go in with 7 contracts there, but I did not mean to do that. If this goes green, I'm going to have to close it because I can't take the drawdown on 7. All right, I'm going to close it there just because I accidentally... There we go. I can't believe I added 7 there. Let's just check it here. See if we can run up here. It may pull back a little deeper. Only went in with one. All right, looks like I finally got Quan Tower connected. So on the 15-second chart, we have a nice little setup here. $58 could pull back to. $58 might be an area to add. Something like that. I don't know why that thing keeps going back to 7. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add to it there. I probably could have waited for that reversal bar. Entry would be there anyway, so we actually got a decent entry here. It's okay. Should go now, I would think. What are you thinking, Juker? Are we going to run the highs or no? All right. Got the Quan Tower fixed. Finally connected. So we'll shrink this down. There we go. Oh, it went huge here. What we got? Come on. There we go. I actually was wrong. This could have traded down to 56. I fibbed it on the trading view. Not sure. You can't make any sense of the current action. Yeah. I'm thinking that we take these highs. I don't like that the ES ran the highs first. It's really about the only thing I didn't like about it. Need to flip some contracts here. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's find the one. Micro 22. Let me check the copier. 20. Nope. Run. 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. We got to flip some contracts here, so we're going to go ahead and do that. We just do it with one tick, and then we just hit the bid. Trader Oracle, how's it going? Good morning. Just flipping some contracts here. Yeah, profit. All right, guys, we're up 50 cents. We're off to bed. I'm just trying to flip these contracts. 58. Making sure I got all the accounts included here. We're on the micros. We are on the micros. I've done that before where I try to flip and I'm accidentally on a mini and I cost myself. All right, now let's check and make sure that got flipped on all of them. So, guys, we're up 50 cents times 20. All right, we got that. Almost about to run those highs. Let's see here. Yes, reapproaching the highs. So we got all those flipped. Wait a second. Yep, 26. I just want to make sure. All right, we got all those flipped. We're going to run those highs or what? Come on. Seems like we should. So we got high. That is a high. A low. I'm missing this here. That was a good area to add, actually, right there, 61. Decent area to add right there. I didn't have the stones to do it, but that was a good area to add. Was already in 2 contracts. I didn't really want to go much deeper, but that was a perfect setup. Trying to see if this thing's going to run. I almost want to just take it off at $200, to be honest. We'll let it work itself out, though. We'll let it work itself out, I guess. Yes, looks all right. Looks all right. You put $1 on all my Apex to wait out their passing days. Yeah. Starting out good, up 310. Nice job, Darren. Nice job. Doing better than me. Yeah, Oracle. I bet you. I bet you could write code for that simple strategy. You sent me that comment there. I bet you could. I don't think it would be that hard to do, to be honest. Well, from someone who knows what they're doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I want to see this thing break that 68 area there. Kind of double top in there. Looks easy. Yes, pushing 76.50. Yeah, Lux Algo's not bad. Lux Algo's not bad. I use the Lux Algo. Just not exclusively there, but I do use it. Have it pulled up. I used to take a lot closer look at those signals. But I haven't lately. Just trying to get this thing to push through the highs there. It's like pulling teeth here. Very, very slow. See if we get some green volume pop in here, right here, and pop through the high here. See if we can pop it right here. This should go right now. I'm going to take it right there for $250, guys. We're going to take it right there for $250. Ticket right there. Now, why does it say only 140? Did I take a loss? Oh, I guess I took a small loss here. I didn't even realize that when I went in with 7. Oops. So only up 140 on that then. That's all right. So no other setups in here, guys. Well, actually, we do have a small one here. Let's see. Oh, thanks, Darren. I didn't really hold it for my target, so it feels bad. I'm quite certain it's going to run through the session high there at 70, but you know, $7. Yes, like $35. Yeah, I think I took a small loss on that. I accidentally went in with 7 because I have a pre-set up ATM, and I didn't realize it was on 7. Normally that's what I take on this Ringo strategy is 7. Obviously, should have just left the 7 on, right? Would have paid, but got a kink in my neck, guys. What's going on over here? I'm getting old. Now it goes. And I didn't even take this setup either. It's a perfect setup. Didn't take it. To be fair, it was already pulled back into this range by the time I fibbed it. Anybody watch that video that I posted yesterday? Oh, I know Oracle made it. Kink makes you go, gonna make money. Oh, maybe. That could be. As soon as I took it off, it's going to run the highs right there. Yeah. That's what happens. I mean, I knew it was going to go. I didn't think for 1 second that it wasn't going to run those highs, but sometimes it's like, let's just take the profit just in case. You never 100%. High, low, high, low. So still running the highs here. ES not through the highs, which means Nasdaq probably has more room to the upside here, guys. Let's look. What's next? 75? Possibly 92, 91. That high from yesterday. Yesterday's high. That actually should be marked out on this chart. I guess it's not for some reason. It should show your previous session high. I don't know why it's not. You woke up just before you checked in here, gotcha, Juker. I don't know. I was kind of playing around with the. I was just going over the strategy there, and I kind of put my thumbnail is kind of clickbaity, but yeah, it's just funny. If you know, you know, I guess. Yeah. I mean, it could continue here, but since we ran these highs, we could come back to these equal lows as well. So just be careful down here. Where's that at? 45. Yeah, right here. We got that swing high there. That one down. Yeah, it could get range bound. You never know. It might take till after 4 a.m. to get moving. How long did I stream this session? A couple hours? Yeah, not even a couple hours, Josh. Usually it's about 4:15. So an hour and 25 minutes, and then we go to sleep. I actually slept really good last night. I went to bed early, like 9 o'clock, and I woke up, got out of the bed with no problem this morning. I was still sleeping so good. And if you were looking at this kind of from that silver bullets perspective, decent little setup there on the 1 minute chart. I mean, I probably would have been looking for a deeper retracement. Never got tagged in, but so 78, kind of that next level up there. Let's see what happens there. It might turn back down here at 75, but I would imagine it runs at 78 since we're so close now. Look at there. As soon as I get out, and then we run up 10 more points. Oh, that's funny. We do got a pivot point up here at 80, so. All right. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe for me. We didn't make the goal yesterday in order to do a giveaway, so if we can make today's goal, then we will do a giveaway today. Probably not going to make it here during London, but you guys can help get us there. The goal today is going to be 820 subscribers. We're at 792, so if we get to 820, we will do a giveaway, $40. Obviously, probably be during New York, but join us and have a chance to win. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we will give away $250. I may actually change it. We may give away more. We'll see. Hey, Juker, I never received an email from you there, guy, on the Discord. Or at least, I don't know if you sent it via email or not. And it might have went to my junk. Let me check. I don't know. I don't know if you forgot. Tradeovate alert. What is that? Renewal for my data. So you see, we didn't quite run that liquidity, and now we're kind of turning back down. Thank you, Juker. Thank you, Juker. That's all right. Yeah, I was going to send you something anyway, so. Just remember, Methodical Man, there's no underscore in the email. Don't ask me why. I don't know why. I don't know. So making $140 there. We were up $250. Like I said, I guess because I took that loss. I accidentally went in with 7 contracts here. I didn't really panic, but I was like trying to wait for it to get back to green and close it. And I thought I closed it green, but I guess I didn't. So, all right, from a scalping perspective here, let's see. We have a high. We have a low. So we needed to move back below the low and then back above the high. So nothing here for us to do. I am thinking about doing that 786, looking into that 786 type trades. I don't know what's going on with this stuff. It's getting on my nerves. This stuff is not working all that great today. We'll figure it out by London or by New York, hopefully. You can see the only ones that connected was my APEX. So tapping that pivot point there. Let's see. So yeah, we got a little ways to go on these accounts. So this one's on day 4, but the rest of them are 3 or 2. So to get all these funded, you can see we're across the finish line on all of them. So we just got to wait for the days to click off here, and then we'll have those funded accounts. Yeah, I was pretty disappointed with my trading yesterday after going back and watching it, reviewing my trades. I just did some stupid stuff. Can't be doing that with the other accounts. You should buy Chart Prime while it's on sale. You used to love their stuff. I never. What is Chart Prime? Trader Oracle. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I am liking this setup here, Oracle, though. You know, that we've been using on the 2000 tick chart. Obviously, I took that loss on that one yesterday, but it was probably a bit ambitious to take it right there at close. But, I mean, look at these other entries. I made like $600 on this one. I missed that one. Missed it. I hit that one for like 150. Hit this one for 4 or 5 handles. So every one of these I hit for like 4 or 5 handles. But looking back, I probably should target 10 handles. 10 handles. At least 10, right? Even if you take a loser, and you bang 10, I'm going to try to leave a runner on of some sort today. It's going to try to be what I do. But I like that it doesn't give very many signals, you know. It doesn't give you very many. So you see maybe 4 or 5 signals per day. They're pretty solid. Not too bad. I don't sleep, Laura. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. I did take a nap. Or I slept. Yeah, Lux Algo has a lot of paid indicators. I'm a vampire. Arr. Now, I got to put in the work here to build up this channel. So that's why we're doing the London and the New York. I noticed that when I stopped doing the London, my average subscribers per day went down pretty significantly. So, yes, all the way up to 80 here. All the way up to 80. Laura, you don't sleep either. I see Laura on there all the time, too. Shalashas Kebab. Is there a version of that entry indicator on TradingView? Yeah, Trader Oracle has a video on it. So if you go ahead and look, check out Trader Oracle. I don't know what the name of that video was, but he did do a video on adding it to TradingView. What's going on, Right Investments? Dave teaches it would be more helpful with decision making if you didn't mark up things you aren't willing to trade. Don't prime yourself to force a trade doing that. Oh no, I don't. I'm not marking anything. I took these trades. I missed this one. I missed it, but I did take this one. So I do sometimes do that where I mark it up. I get what you're saying, where I'll mark it out and say, let's just see what happens. Probably shouldn't do that, but I have done that before. You're not wrong there. It's going well. I'm up 140. I took a $250 winner, but I accidentally entered this position here with 7 contracts on accident instead of 2. So I took it off. I thought I took it off for a small profit, but I guess I took it off for a small loss there. Didn't realize it was still on. Still on my different ATM setting, so I had 7 contracts on there. Actually, I only meant to take 1, but anyways, we re-entered with just 1 and took a small win. Obviously, we left some on there. Camarillo pivots. No, I don't know what that is, Darren. What is that? I'm just using regular pivot points. Standard. Everybody's up for London. Dave Teaches is up. Oracle's up. Laura's up. Man. Everybody likes that London session. London's not bad. It's just a little slow. Just a little slow. Camarilla pivots give so many lines. Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea. I use my pivot points. I keep them over here. So that orange line is the pivots. I don't know where the next one down is, but that's one there. There we go. There's one. There's one. You can see this is where I keep my Lux Algo stuff. I don't even have it pulled up. It's actually down there. I mean, not bad right there, right? It gave a double. Like, I only pay attention to the double signals when I was doing this. This is the 2-minute chart. So you got a double signal there. Break of that line probably. But you get a lot of fake outs on this too. So you can see. Buy, sell. Obviously those are during all that chop. But that's a little double signal there. Little double signal there. That's usually how I keep it there. I know I can split them, but I just don't. Too much stuff already pulled up, to be honest. So it didn't quite make it up there to that next level up, 91. So I'll move this over here just to kind of clean this up a little bit. Rincos don't really move that much during London. So 83, the high there. I'm thinking, well, maybe we run that 92 up there, 91.50. We'll see. Got a little kink in my neck, guys. I slept so good, but when you're old like that and you sleep in one position, you get a little kink. Wiz No Fear loves the Rinko. I do too. I like them too. I really do. It's one of my favorite setups. It's easy to read. I did trade it there for a week or two, just kind of exclusively. I like the Rinko, but I don't know if everybody else likes it, to be honest. I think Oracle's mentioned before that people don't like Rinko. People don't like the Rinkos. If you guys are new here, if you haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We do have all the links down below for APEX, Bulenox, and Topstep. APEX 71% off, Bulenox 75%, Topstep 60% off. Should get that email today for the free reset on Topstep. And if you guys are going to reset your account, please click my link first. Use my link to do your reset. It gives me credit for it, and it helps the channel. We appreciate it. So just take that one extra step. Click the link. We do have a Discord down below if you guys are interested in joining. It is $10 a month, but if you want to join, join. If you don't, you don't. It's not a big deal. Whatever you want to do. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Use 6'4 Rinko. Woo, that's a fast Rinko. Let me look at a 6'4. Let me see. Look at that 6'4. Well, my presets only have an 8'4. It actually doesn't look bad. Doesn't look too bad. This is an 8-4. See, as long as the cloud stays green, I like pairing this with like a 9 EMA cloud. That's what I have in the back. So as long as the cloud stays green, you stay long, right? It's kind of the idea. So you can see it's never turned red this morning. Even on these pullbacks, still green. Let me see. I do have another Rinko set up here. There's the 6. It's not bad either. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Yeah, we'll put it on this. I don't know. That 20 by 5 looks clean, though. Super clean. Shashkabab, you have to use the sign-up form in the Topstep TV chat from 9 to 10 a.m. Central for the reset. Yeah, they're going to also send you an email for a free reset. Shashkabab. Currently have an account. They'll send an email as well. The code that they give you on Topstep TV is only going to be available for 1 hour, but they sent out an email beginning of the week that said they would be sending a free email reset as well. Let me see if I can find it. Make sure, unless I read it wrong, which is possible. It says actives only. Claim your free reset. Fire drill for 1 free reset sometime this week for 1 hour only. We'll pin a form on the Topstep TV live chat to sign up for 1 free reset. Oh, never mind. So I guess you have to sign up through the sign up form, and then they'll email you the code. So, yeah, we'll sign up. So we'll sign up tomorrow. Then you'll get the code in your email. There you go. So it is just 1 reset. I read it wrong. That's the power to read it again. That's the power of reading it twice. So I guess we do have to sign up tomorrow between 9 and 10 a.m. Central, 10 and 11 a.m. Eastern. It should be pinned in the chat there. So fill out the sign-up form, put your email in, then they'll send you a reset to your email. Then you can use my link. There you go. Perfect. So we put in a low, we put in a high. So if we move back below the low, that's kind of a short setup there. And also we have a high, a low, and then if we move back above the high, that's a long. So, yeah. I probably should follow them on Twitter, but I don't. But yeah, you guys can follow me on Twitter or Instagram or TikTok. I don't post very much on TikTok, but it's there. Same thing, methodical_man. If you're interested. So just waiting for something to happen here. ES still looking a little stronger here, already reapproaching the highs. The only concern there is any weakness in the ES is going to bring us down with it, right? Any weakness in the ES and we go down with it. I'm hungry this morning, guys and gals. We are hungry. Just kind of made that nice move up. I mean, we chickened out on it. We got in. Where was our entry? Really didn't hold it very long. We got in 63. Which that was I added at 58, I think. Where was that? Over here. on this pullback. So I think I got in here and then we added here. So you do have a smaller setup here inside a setup. I wouldn't love it as much, but so you have a high. We took that high there and we took this low here. Did we take the low? Well, there's a small swing there. Probably just need to look at these outside ones here for me. Swing high, swing low. I don't love taking them at the high of day, but I suppose it doesn't matter. Not really going to matter all that much. But you could fib this leg if you wanted to and then take for the bounce off the 30. We might do that. Let's see. $977. Just going to run the highs there without us, so. All right, pushing through the highs here. So you say we got a high, we got a low. Push back above the high there, 80.25. So we'll throw on a little scalpy here. Coming up on 5 minutes here until 3 a.m. ES made a new high there, 82s. Nasdaq also pushed into the 85s. As you can see. So let's see if it can come back and tag us in here before it takes the 91. If it takes that 91 first, then we won't love it. I got my order resting 80.25. 80.25, just looking for a bounce if we can get it. Where should it stop be? It's actually not bad there. So we'll see if it comes back and tags us in or not. Let's watch the WADA. That's actually not bad. We got the pivot right there at 80. So we got the protection of the pivot. We should be able to get a little bounce there off that area. So we'll see if it comes back down here to the 80.25 and tags us in. Like I said, I got it over here on my Ninja chart. If it runs through the 91 first, then I probably just take it off. That'll be too far away. We might get a burst of energy here going into the 4 a.m. 4:03 if it doesn't come back before then. All right, all right, all right. Let's see what we got here. Coming back to us. Doesn't look like it's coming back and getting us. I don't know. Don't know that's going to come back and get us. Not yet. Crossing over the 4 o'clock hour here in about a minute. So let's kind of zoom in here. So you can see we have a high, we have a low. That's the manipulation leg. So we're expecting maybe a pullback, bounce. But we'll see. We shall see. Starting to come back. 80. Just trying to think. So I'm just going to take 6 ticks. Well, we'll take 8 ticks off this. So 82.25. If we get tagged in here, we'll see. Wow. So didn't quite get us there. It's dirty. 3 ticks away from tagging us in, and then it just went. That was the 4 o'clock hour there, guys. We got just a little wick action to the upside. Still fine to me. Just waiting. Moves back above the high. That's another setup there, but would like for it to tag us in here. Along with Rinko. You don't like buying this high. What size bar are you using, Wiz? I don't think you said. 983. You must be using a small bar too. Oh, actually. Yeah. 980. Gotcha. I'm looking to get tagged in at the 980.25. Ain't came back yet. Seems reasonable. Once again, if you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. If you're not yet subscribed, please press the subscribe button. It does help the channel. We do stream live 5 days a week, London and New York. 3 o'clock a.m. Eastern for London and 9:15 a.m. Eastern for New York. Oh, really? Just one tick us again? One tick us this time instead of 3 ticking us. Ten Rinko. You're just using the regular Rinko. That one. The 10 Rinko. So you waited for that. You waited for the break of that previous red candle, the high. One tick. Yeah. Yeah, one tick right there got me. I hate it when it does that. It's not went above the swing high here, so I'll leave it on, but I usually do front run the 30 by one tick, or at least I tell myself I'm going to, and then half the time I forget. 10 Rinko, what 20 Rinko? Ugh. Kind of shows chop pretty good on that 10 Rinko, huh? A lot of consolidation here. 403. Supposedly there's a macro that turns on at 403 a.m. So I think if we start to sell here, that's probably what we'll do. Maybe pull back, run those equal lows. We'll see. I'm probably going to take this order off. I don't know. We'll see. It's not really pulling back all that much on sell volume here. It is moving slow. You're not lying with no fear. I mean, we're getting some sell volume here, but it's not moving back. That leads me to believe that if any buy volume comes in, we're going to pop. I mean, just any buy volume is going to send us here. Watching that WADA. Not a lot of, like I said, I don't see a whole lot of buy volume there at all, but the fact that we're not pulling back on sell volume usually means that we're going to pop higher as soon as some buy volume comes in, but could still go either way, right, when you got low volume like this. A little green popping in there, not much. ES pulling back to the 82s here. Not really much. I mean, off the 83 high, so. All right, maybe we get tagged in here. We'll see. I don't know. This will be the last entry if we do get tagged in. All right, filled there. Swing 74.25. All right, let's see if we get a pop up here. Big sell volume popping in here. Might get stopped out. That's all right if we do. Just looking for a small reaction here anyway. All right, we got it. Just looking for 8 ticks there. 2 contracts. $80. We'll take it. We'll take it. We got the reaction we were looking for. Held the pivot, popped back above, filled us 82.25. So, yeah, finally filled there. No, for a second it just tapped on me and didn't fill. I'm making it my mission tomorrow when I wake up. This little gnat, bug, whatever's in here, this thing is going to die in the morning. It has been here for 3 days, and it will not go away, and I can't kill it. I'm going to kill this thing as soon as I can find something to kill it with. I can't get it with my hands. I need a traditional flash water. I scared you? Well, this is not paid, so this is the free model, right? This is the free. And this is it's not just Lux Algo. This has an opening range breakout, RF labels, whatever. That's the one that gives you the buy sell. That's not Lux Algo. ICD concepts, Lux Algo. Trend lines with breaks, Lux Algo. That's the only thing. I guess we could turn these off and just show you what it looks like. So that's leaving the Lux Algo stuff on there. So that's just leaving the Lux Algo stuff on there. It doesn't really give you buy and sell signals. This is just showing you a break of a trend line. That's all that is. A break of a trend line. The B will pop up. So, which some people think that's a buy signal, but it's just a break of a trend line. Shows fair value gaps and things like that. Market structure shift. So, but that's without all that other crap on there. So a little cleaner. But I don't know that this tells you anything any different than what you could just see yourself, to be honest. Don't know that it tells you any different than what you could just see yourself. Oh, look at that thing go. Man, I guess we could have took a little more there, huh? 9150 is probably going to be in play here. 9150 might be in play. I don't know that you should pay for it anyway. I mean, there are, you can watch. I don't know if you watch Patrick at all, Oracle. He has the paid version. He has some videos showing the paid version there. Well, that's going to be the last entry for me, guys. Ending up $220 on the session. Appreciate you guys joining us. Once again, if you guys are interested in trading futures, we'll get all the links below. We got the link to the Discord as well, $10 a month if you're interested. It's up to you. Do think we run this 91 here. I will be back live 9:15 a.m. Eastern for the London session. So, guys, join us then. If you guys are interested in watching another streamer, Cami Capital is live right now for the London session. If you want to check him out, he's currently live. It's kind of where Dave and Cami and Stoics where I kind of got this idea. Most of the ideas for this what I'm using, but give them a look, and that's it. We'll see you guys live 9:15 a.m. Eastern. Appreciate you guys watching.